That's some big spider. Hello, buddy. Sun is setting once again in Sudan. I hope you can hear me. It's very windy. The sun is setting, I was saying, and I will try to pull an all-nighter, to cycle the whole night in order to avoid the heat and to make some progress. Tomorrow is gonna be very windy during the day. Hopefully tonight is not gonna be that windy. There's a bit of a change in the landscape the last few kilometers. It's not just flat desert, but there are some rocks. It's been really sunny, really hot, dusty, no sandstorms yet, but very dusty because of the wind. And it's been so hot that the other day the battery of my iPhone exploded, and that kind of played a little my financing. I don't have much money left, and I still have 500 kilometers to the border of Sudan. Here there was no ATM. ATM machine doesn't work with foreign cards. I still have some dollars, but I don't want to change it. It's dollars that I brought for visas and for Sudan because I knew I couldn't withdraw any money. The problem is, when I entered Sudan, I exchanged some dollars at 63 Sudanese pounds for $1. Now the rate is 45. Yesterday I found a guy that was willing to give me 50, but only if I was going to exchange a $100 bill. First of all, I don't have a $100 bill. I have $20 bills. I have $10 bills. Also, I don't need a $100. I was gonna exchange $60. That's more than enough. Just I wanted to have a little money if I have an emergency, or if I wanna indulge a little bit more in soft drinks, cold water. Yeah, I mean, that's what I need. Some Cokes, some Sprite or 7-Up, Pepsi, and some cold water. And yeah, it would have been nice to take another one of the nights before the border to get a shower. But I have to spend myself right. What I have left, I will have some Swedish pounds. So it's about a little less than 400 pounds every day. I think that's enough. I will just be more frugal and drink less Cokes. And enjoy this all-nighter. I would like to have a drone to show you exactly where we are. 100 kilometers, there is only sand. Have a look around. Have a look around me. It's just sand. So how random is this? To find a Fiat tractor here. Just no farming here, yeah? And obviously if you have a look at the bottom, it's broken, it's leaking oil. But how random is this? Can't show this to me. That's me cycling into the night. It's liberating. It's almost no traffic in Sudan. Little break at the cafeteria. And now ready to hit the road again. It's about 11 o'clock. I don't think I can pull out an all-nighter. I'm awake since 6 a.m. It's a long night. I'm already sleepy, but I'll go back on I had a good meal. I had beans, I had some meat, bread. I rested a little bit. Now I'll have coffee. Thank you. And I'll hit the road again and see what happens. I'm not a master of lighting. That's my headlamp. I'm not sure you guys can see me. It's 3 a.m. now. I just stopped for a pit stop. It was a long time. I was looking for a place where I could rest a little bit, but didn't find anything till I found this place. And it's tough because my knee hurts, and it would be nice to find a cafeteria where I can lay down a little bit, but there's nothing in the area. I already did 170 kilometers, and I aim to do at least another 40 before the sunrise, and then I'll see what to do then. No progress because I took a nap. It's about 5:27 a.m. and it's sunrise basically, but I took a nap and I'm gonna take you for a spin. 180 degrees, because I wanna show you something. Oh, ready? Look at that sunrise. It's always beautiful when the sun goes down and when the sun goes up. And luckily I found this petrol station, cafeteria, and I will be able to stop here for a few hours and see if the sandstorm passed, because I need to get to Wadi Alpha overnight. It's 220 kilometers. I have no money. I don't know if you can see on camera all the sand. It's much worse than it looks on the GoPro. I got it in my eye. Oh, it's people breaking Ramadan. Sensor. So my plans got a bit screwed because that is killing me. 50 degrees, 51 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's deal with the heat. Then the wind, very, very strong headwind. I'm heading north-northeast and the wind is north-northeast. So heat, wind, and now the sand. You're throwing it all at me, Sudan. So So with the sand, it's really impossible to pedal. The wind is too strong. It's over 40-45 kilometers per hour, and with the sand, it's really possible. And it's night, so you can't really see much. It's a bit too dangerous, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna sleep here in this cafeteria. This is gonna be my bed for the night. My jacket is gonna be my pillow guarding my bike, and maybe I got some coffee here. Here is the coffee corner, not sure you can see, and here is the restaurant. Yeah, so what's the plan? I don't know what's the plan because I have no money. And also, if I get to Bari Alpha tomorrow, so I'm not gonna get there tomorrow as a plan. And even if the sandstorm ends tonight and I cycle during the day tomorrow, I'll not be able to get there because it's 220 kilometers. Well, technically now, yeah, it's about 220 kilometers. And yeah, because of the heat and the wind, I will not be able to cycle that long during the day. So I don't know where that leaves me, but if I get there to Wadi Alpha, then today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Maybe I can take like a night of rest there in a cheap hotel. The problem is that I will get to Abu Simbel, where I will cross into Egypt, and there is basically you need to cross the dam on the Nile, and the ferry doesn't work on Friday, obviously. It's Friday in the Arab world, it's like Sunday in the Western world. So yeah, it's kinda I was planning not to get there on Friday, and obviously I get there on Friday. We'll see. I'm gonna rest and then we'll see what to do. I mean, there's not much I can do.